in all of our events throughout the year, as well as the various partners who worked, donated to the municipality, and they came out of the woodwork when it comes time to enhancing our park. We are so proud to say that in the last couple of years, our municipality has secured a little over $1 million in grant money. We will continue to work very hard to gather even more grant money in the upcoming years to enhance whatever we need within our community.
Nous allons maintenant procéder à la coupe du ruban. J'inviterai maintenant tous les enfants qui ont attendu si patiemment à se rendre sur l'heure de jeu d'eau. Puis, juste attendre qu'on pèse sur le bouton pour démarrer le jeu. Puis, j'invite aussi les gens aujourd'hui à visiter les nombreux kiosques qui se sont présentés aujourd'hui. Ne pas oublier qu'on a la cantine qui est ouverte juste en arrière dans le bâtiment ici. Puis, merci à tout le monde pour votre participation aujourd'hui. On ne pourrait pas faire tout ça sans vous. Merci.
We will now proceed to the ribbon cutting. I invite all of the children to gather in behind by the bleachers and wait for our mayor to start our splash pad for the season.
Are you excited?
Also, don't forget to invite you all to check out our vendors.
Okay, you want me to take your bag?
The canteen at the back, people. Don't forget the food is amazing. Enjoy.
So you gotta
Thank
go. You gotta go and wait. You gotta wait till they cut the ribbon. So go wait with all the other kids there, and then I don't see a ribbon though, but you can just wait on the bench, okay, buddy? Then when they cut the ribbon, then you can go. I'm just going to set this by your feet.
Yeah.
You can leave it right there. I'll watch it, okay? I'm going to cut the ribbon soon.